There is currently a pandemic at the time of this video's release, so we've been advised not to make any unnecessary travel. Therefore, my trip to Japan in 2020 is no longer happening. It looks like my trip will be pushed back to 2021. But that's okay, because even though I can't go anywhere, Swatch has released some new watch designs using travel destinations as themes. The Swatch Takes Me Places campaign showed up on my Instagram feed, probably because my Instagram account is travel focused. The Swatch website showed 30 destinations, and Tokyo was one of them. That's where I was meant to go this year, so I thought I'd bring Tokyo to me. I got to design my Tokyo themed watch by placing the watch template over the Tokyo canvas. I chose the mechanism and I personalised the watch with my name on the back. A few days later, this nice looking box arrived. So here's the unboxing. I have to hand it to Swatch, this was very nicely presented. The actual case is see-through, so I'll be keeping it to display my watch in for now. Swatch got my watch design bang on, and the level of detail on the artwork is really good. The indexes are a bit difficult to see, so some might think they're pointless, but I thought it's free anyway, so why not have them? My name is on the back just as the website showed, so I'm happy with this purchase. I won't be wearing the watch, but I'll keep it as a display piece, and it'll give me something to look forward to in Japan next year.